What about others? Okay. Right. Good afternoon. Enter your register numbers. Right. Anyway, we'll start. Let them join. Right. So, online help we have seen, and now we have to go for the online manuals. So online manuals, how we are getting. Suppose if you are giving any assignment, what we'll do, suppose if you have textbook, we'll go for the textbook. Otherwise, we'll use the Google. That's what everybody will do it. So here also same thing, online manuals, how you will be doing. So for example, if I want to do for example, I'll see here, just right. Suppose if you, for example, if I want to search for something, now here some authors are there, some of the spingers is there, something is there, some many papers are there. I want to search some specific name or specific title. For example, I'll type it something like this. So some messages came. See here, wherever it is searching the name, it is coming. So we can go for that and we can download it. So whatever the journals we want, whatever the informations are available, all these things we can download, because this is the, what is that called, amount we have to pay and take. So otherwise we can download some of the materials. So that is what the online materials is, nothing but what, how you are searching, how you are downloading the materials. Suppose if you go for the one more example, I'll tell you. Google. Suppose if I type something, user manual online, rating one knowledge management, sometime 12 best. So many informations we are getting, we can download that one. That is what the manuals. See here, some they've given manual templates, examples of the great user interfaces. So some of the examples you'll be getting. For example, if you say this one. So here some of the messages are available. See, some of the informations are available. This is what the way of searching. So you are familiar this one. And apart from that, for example, if you go for here, Flipkart. So Flipkart, whatever we have discussed till now, command line, searching, all these things. Now manuals also, they made it. So for example, now, I want mobiles. So mobile scale. So suppose if I want a specific name, Samsung mobiles. So now you have the ranges also. So minimum, for example, this is what only today's class now. So search is from 10,000 to 15,000. So even you can give ranges as a 10,000 to my range is at, let me say 25,000 rupees. So now you will be getting the with the ranges whatever you are getting with clarity information. See here, that is what they're saying. So full details information, clarity information, users can be able to read it out and can be able to do the processing for this all these things called the online help model. That is what the this today's class. So reproduction of the printing the manuals online, how to do that one. Paper pages layouts may not convert well, page numbers layouts may not convert well. So printed online is nothing. Sometimes see here what will happen. So nothing pages and all. So it is not displaying the pages, all those things, just informations, whatever you are going. Because they cannot give it exact the pages numbers. So here you have the see pages you are having, pages numbers. But here 1, 2, 3, 4 it is not coming. So down it is there because in between top, down and all they cannot print it that one because all the mobiles are available, details are there. So we have searched only LG. So now the previous. Next page. Suppose if I want only LG mobiles. So we'll get the LG mobiles and you can give the ranges and even customer ratings, battery capacity, so scale size, all these things informations are called the online help. We can take it out. So a paper pages layouts may not be convert well. Dealing with figures problematic, dealing with the problems and figures problematic. Attractive if the users have large enough displays full page. Close the matches between the printed and online versions useful. So that is what is happening. So here some of the information, some of the diagrams are available. So it is which one is attracting for you, can go for that. So what is your budget, what is your this one. Suppose if I want to see this full information, I will be getting for that. So now they have given offers. LG mobile this much, bank offer cashback with the SBI cards they have given. So 5% with unlimited cashback, Flipkart, Access Bank and credit card. Another 5%. Suppose if you are going for the Access, this 5%. So EMI options also they have given. Storage capacity they have given. Highlights, all these things, specifications. This is what the way of giving the online and user manuals, all these things. So these examples is nothing but the reproductions of the printed manuals online. So which one it is coming, they're uploading and all these things coming. Not only with respect to Flipkart, you can go for anything. That's what I told you, the Springer also. So some Springer, if you go and you can search it. Suppose if I know some other name, for example, I want to search for Rajesh. If it is available, it will display something. So Rajesh, here it is available. Here you will be getting. So you can click this and you can search it out. So that is what the way of doing the download the PDF format. So if you click this, so some of the things they have given it options, some of the things they have not given options for the downloading. See, now that paper entire details informations you will be getting. See, that is what this is also one user manual. So this is what the informations which one you want. So you are familiar for this, but anyway, still we have in our syllabus we have to discuss. We are discussing that, sir. You may be knowing all this process, but still we don't have the options. We have to do it. That's it. So enhanced by the special online features. Enhanced by the special online features is nothing but what? String search. So string search, multiple indices, multiple tables of the contents, table of the figures. This is what the online features. So electronic book, bookmarks, electronic annotations, hypertext traversals, automatic history keeping. So that is what the when you are doing all these things, so they are following this one. So online is nothing but the this is what. So here is what string search. So what we have done here is nothing but the we have done the string search. So string search. For example, just I want to search this title. Title wise also you can search it. So David and this one. So this is what whatever you are coming. So the automatically it is coming. So you can view the article in this. You will be having the details when it is displayed, what is the page number, citations, and full entire paper, diagrams, and all the informations, whatever it is related for that. Here there is no diagrams, only the informations are available and what all the they have done, the references, authors informations, and who is the corresponding author, what is the citations of this, and when they have done it, when they have accepted, when they published, when they received all the informations, what is the ODI for this. Even if you click this, you will be opening the, it will be opening that particular paper. So see here, this one, ODI, DOI is nothing but this one. So directly it will come to the that paper, published December 2014, book reviews. So this is what the way of doing the online searching on this one. So somewhere string searching, so multiple indices will be there, multiple tables of the contents also will be available. So these are all the things, key features to be taken, enhanced the online features. So when you are doing online, these are all the things to be taken. So provider will be taking care of all those things. So automatic history keeping. Automatic history keeping is nothing but, so for example, if you take this, so somewhere it will be there how many people they reviewed this, how many people viewed for this. See, so 120 access, 120 members they have downloaded this. So one citations is available. So like this, you will be having the this one. So citations, this one. Cite as this one as the article. So this is what the cite as the articles, this one. So like this, you will be getting the informations with the manuals. So that is what the table of the figures, electronic bookmarks, electronic annotations, hypertext travels. Hypertext travels is nothing. Sometimes they will give the link. So link is nothing but it will open for that one. When you are clicking that, it will be open that one. So here is when you are taking the papers, they might have given the references. See, so this one is nothing but the link only. See, when you are clicking this link, so we can download this. Suppose if you are clicking this, it will open for this. So here you can click this, or you will get others details, still information. This one we can get it. This one. So like this, you are having the options for this, and references also they will give it. So some of the links how to give when you are clicking this, some of the informations you will be getting. That is what the this one enhanced by the special online features. This is what you have the enhanced. So starting is nothing but what the intention was They want only making the documentation properly, and whenever we want to reuse, for reproduction is nothing but reusing. So that's all here. Reusing, when we can use it, nothing but, suppose if you are printing one book and if you are keeping there, again may not be visible for all the people. So who are all doing the researches and all, when they are publishing their papers, what will happen, that one made it available, so that providers, that is nothing but the publisher. So that means what will happen, current trends, what type of problems are solving and what type of problems we can solve it. So that is what they make it available for the public, those are doing for the researchers. That is what the paper layout may not be convert well, dealing with the figures and problematic. So papers, if you take, what will happen? All the information they will be given. So which figure they have used, what is the architecture diagram, what tools they have done it, what problem they have solved, what is the output they have got it, and what is the future enhancement also. So for that related figures, diagrams, tables, all the information they will be giving for the corresponding problems. So attractive, if the users have the long chain of displays, that is nothing but the full pages. So web pages will be displaying very clearly. Close matches between printed and online versions useful. So close matches between the printed and the online versions useful. So always book is useful for this. Suppose if I want to search some other thing, for example, suppose I will search some other user interface. Question papers. So I want to search it means you have many options and which one you want to consider. For example, if I want to click this, so download the question paper. Okay. See. So we got the modern interface design. So ours is principles interface design. This is nothing but the R interface design. So we have the 5 modules. So they might have different syllabus. So 5th unit is not our syllabus. That is nothing but the different syllabus. So like this, you can, otherwise we'll search only the MCA question papers only. So here you got it. So some syllabus they have given it, development process, command line arguments and designing issues. Savas only. Quality of the issues, quality of the services, user documentation on online help. That only we are doing. Introduction, online versus paper documentation, no? Reading from paper versus displaying shopping, the content of the manuals, access documentation, online tutorials. This one only we are doing now. Online tutorials and animated documents, online communities. So this is what we are discussing this one. So here is what we are doing is nothing but here online manuals, online documentation, online tutorials. Under this, online manuals will be coming. This is what the online manuals 1 and online manuals 2. Most effective if manuals is redesigned to fit electronic medium to take up the advantages. So whatever we have done it, that one we have to fit into the electronics. Electronics is nothing but whatever we have downloaded now. So for that they have to fit it and they have to store somewhere, and it should be available, make it available. So that means what, they have to create the space to store all the informations, and they have to give the address locations to access that one, so everybody can access that one. So for example, if you go for Springer, IEEE, all the papers will be available there, so you can view that. You can search what's happening that one. Suppose if I want to go for machine learning or artificial intelligence, so you can go to the specific field and you can search their keywords, exact titles, all these things we can search it out, recent one or year wise papers, all these things can be done. That is what the options here. So they have to make it digitally, electronically they have to do it. That is what they redesigned. Most effective if the manuals are designed to fit electronic medium to take the advantages. So advantages is nothing but what? Multiple windows. So what will happen? Sometimes see here what will happen. We have done it MCA question paper. So what we'll do, we can click it, right click this, multiple windows we can open it. For example, see here, digital library, I've opened it, and one more. So it is opening one by one. CMRIT University, they have done it, some of the question paper, maybe autonomous, I hope. So they have given it locations, all these things. See, BTO question paper 13 MCA, Java. So computer networks. So like this, you have the some of the question paper 16 and 17 by software engineering, analysis and design of algorithm, principles of user interface design, view and open. Anyway, it is not opening that one. Okay, anyway, we don't want that. So I'll close all those things, windows. Right. So that is what the reproduction is, nothing but reusing. So reusing is nothing but what? We are searching for the particular pattern. We can open the multiple windows which is fit for us, which is suitable for us, which we need. So that one we can take it and we can go. That is what the multiple windows, text highlighting, colors, sound, animation, string search with the relevance feedback, all these things fit the electronic medium. So we have seen the flip chart. See, so looks like what we are seeing physically once we go to the mobiles shop. So we can see there. So here also we can able to see it that one. We can see the configuration, all those things. No need to go to shops. We can purchase it here only. So that means what they have given the clarities and figures, dimensions. So what is the basic informations they have to give it, everything they have given it. So how much battery, how much front camera, rear camera, display, how much RAM, all the details, size, all those things. That is what the reproductions of the user manuals. So color also they have given. So sound somewhere we'll get it. Animations, that means we have to go for the videos. We have to go for the videos. Videos also we can see with the sound attraction. So that is what we have to do it, sound animation. So for example, sound means our videos only we can see. So our videos, it is available in our college web server. So we can download that, we can view that. So we can see that with sounds effects. String search with the relevance feedback. String search with the relevance feedback. So this is what you have to do it the most effective if manuals redesigned to fit into the electronic medium. So electronic medium advantages is nothing but what? So you can make the copies, you can store it to the servers. So when you are searching for that, we can open for the multiple windows, same only. So for example, LG mobiles, if you click it, so many providers will be coming. So sometimes it will show shops also. So all these things, which one you want? So you can view and we can double click many more windows. We can see, finally we can select it. So text highlighting also is there. Some of the cases text highlighted they will be giving. So colors, sounds, animations, string search, all the relevances, it is available for the digital mode also. User online manuals. Online manuals is nothing but This one only, not only lab manuals what we are talking about with respect to the academic. So even if you search for the mobile, that is also some of the documentation you will be getting, or some specific problem you will search it. So that is also called, we can call it as called the manual. Now properly design table of content that can remain visible to side of text page we tell. So we have to design the properly the tables and make it the visible for the customers. No vices and need tutorials. So when you are making your documentation, so you make it which way you want to visible, make it visible. So some of the color diagrams you want to color scanning, you can do it and display it, and informations only you want, we can show it the textbooks, all these things. So for that, and need the tutorials to print that one. So inter Mitten knowledgeable users can handle the concise descriptions of interface syntaxes and semantics. So here is what knowledgeable users can be handle the concise descriptions of interface, the syntaxes and semantics. So some of the cases by saying this, they can be understanding. For example, if you take the programming, so I want one of the problems, transportation problem, suppose. So we can download, we can see their code. Suppose if you want to learn the Python. So Python, some of the basic things, we can download it and we can see it. So that is where the knowledgeable users can handle that. So knowledgeable users means, so if you know one programming, one more programming, if you want to learn it, you can go for online and we can learn it, no problem. There is not a difficulty to learn that one. So easily we can understand it. So you knowledgeable people automatically will get it. So many cases, all the people are doing the same thing only. Keywords list improved by clustering into the meaningful categories. So here is what will happen. Keywords list improved by the clustering into the meaningful categories. So this is what the important keyword list we have to make it and write it in that one. So that means what? Based on the keywords also we can able to find out. So make it the keywords is nothing but, for example, if you take a Gmail or any mail, when we are sending, we'll give the titles. Sometimes after 6 months or 1 year, we want to search for that. So what we'll remember only some name, entire name we have given big name. In that we have remembered small name. That is what, that is also keyword. So it will be taken that and it will be searching for that. So that is what the keywords list improved by the clustering into the meaningful categories. So when you want to make it the clustering for that particular files, so we have to type some of the keywords. So I'll remember only one name, so I can type it that name and we can get it. So that is what the, suppose now I will be sending some of the PPTs. So maybe after 1 year or next year, if I get the same subject, I want to teach UID once again. So in that case, what I will do, principles of UID, I'll type it. So I might have given UID or uses of principal design, something I'll be writing. So some based on some of the keywords, I'll search it, I'll be getting the PPTs once again. So that is also advantages of the onlines. So now we have to go for the online help. So online help, already some of the cases have shown you here. So for example, here you want dress or shoes. So it will search, you will get the shoes. So what are all the ranges you want? Even you can see there, see here. So discount rates where you are having more, 40% discounts and all where you are having. So I want only 60%. See 65%. So still somewhere exam they have given the designs and all. So even you can go for the baby kids and home and furnitures. So I want blankets. So you can click for blankets and which one you want. So you can click for that. That is what the online helps. And that is, this is nothing but just examples I have given. You can search for that. That's all the meaning for this one. And searching, how you will be doing. this one. So online help, the author what they have said is traditionally little information about how to accessible actions to perform the tasks. Accessible perform the task. Users explicit to be able to search the full text of the online documents. So they're able to type it. So when you're typing, see here, for example, if you're clicking here, so when I'm searching something, automatically related informations will be coming. So for example, I want Redmi mobile. See, so related that information should be coming. So we'll be getting this one. Not pro. So these are the rates and all these things. So which one we want? Still more informations, we can go for that. That is what the still informations. All right. So expanding and contrasting tables of the contents can be combined with the search. So we can combine the searches content, whatever content you want. So sometimes we'll search in one, we are not getting that, we'll go for the other one. So two parallelly we are doing Flipkart and another one. So in that, which one will be easy way we are getting, which one will be will getting more advantages, we'll go for that and we'll buy that one. Tables can be combined with the search. So some of the cases even we can combine the tables. So for example, database you have seen, you are creating tables, two to three tables. I want the informations, two department names who are all having the only associate designations are available. For example, MCA, CS, and IS. So I want to take it out from ISC department table and MCA department table who are all having the designation associate professor. So I want to display. So we can display that one. That is also planning. So the online help and support center for the Microsoft Windows XP contains the articles or topics as the options. Even here also they have given the options. So for example, MS Word if you take also, so we can search somewhere. See here, I want to search something. Here it is available. So I want to find out one of the number 1BY 18 MCA 26. See, now it is available for the searching. So like Microsoft also, not only Microsoft, so what are all the tools we are using? Some of the is this one, Microsoft, Excel, all these things can be able to search for that one. They have given the option for us to search also, find, replace, and one options they might have given it. So that is what the online help and support the Center for the Microsoft Windows XP contains the article, topics, and search the options. So they have given the options for searching us. The similar fashion, we have to do it in your projects also. Links wherever you are doing interfaces, these options to be given for everybody. So now Flipkart we have seen, they have given option for us to search it also. Next one is an answer wizards can respond to natural languages request. So natural languages also should work for that. So whatever you are searching, so it should be taken it because what you have given the command line for the typing interaction purpose. So that backside they might have taken the different technology how to work it out and all. But for us, whatever we are selecting, whatever we are typing, for searching purpose that informations will be coming. So not only Google, even you go for Flipkart, all these things. So we'll be getting the informations from that. So the answer wizards can be respond to a natural language request. So next one is called the context sensitive help. Here is they have given some of the examples. I want to search it out. I want to get it for that. So here they have given insert Microsoft Ignite. So that is something like that. Previously they were telling helps. Now they were giving the options for the search for the particular informations also. So here is user controlled interactive objects help, small and pop-up box. So different ways. So sometimes they'll give small pop-up. So suppose if you go for Flipkart only, so they've given here is what will happen, some of the search options. So here is some of the ranges also they have given. See, not only everything will be not be the same. Here is they have given option for the typing, but here they have given some of the ranges. So selecting also. So sometimes when you are filling the applications and all, they will be asking the date of birth. So they will be telling DDMMY, something like that. You have to enter it. So we can enter it for that. So somewhere clicking, see, when I'm going for this chart, something I might have added. So CBSE 10th. So for my data, might have done it this one. So like this informations, we can go for flights. So what you want to search it, where you want to go. So where what all the options are available. So all these things we can do it there also. Not only Flipkart, you can take any online examples like apps, Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay. So many things are there. One purpose might have done it, but everything they have given with respect to the user requirement, that options they made it available. So still, whenever you are not getting, you can request them. So this option is not available. If you send it, then next year version they will be doing that also. So that is what the online helps. Next one is called the context sensitive helps. Already we have done it. Small pop-up box, dedicated portions to the display. Next is intelligent help. Three helps are there. Context sensitivities help, enhanced. Intelligent help is nothing but what? Users interaction history, a model of user population, and representations of their tasks to make the assumptions about what the user wants. So intelligent help is nothing but what? So you have to make it assumptions, and what are the assumptions you have to assume first. So when you are making the programs, writing customer, what customer will be helping for this? Suppose if you are going for the groceries, what type of groceries are available? All these things you have to enter it there itself first itself. So that means what? Whenever I'm typing like something lady brinjal, brinjal, so that whenever I'm typing BRA, so it should come. What are the starting with the character B? All the vegetables should come something like that. Development of intelligent health systems face seriously usability challenges. Next, the last one is called the hybrid approaches. Hybrid approaches is nothing but what? Initiative is shared between the users and the systems. So initiative shares. So that is nothing but what? Preliminary requirement will be shared. For example, if you are going for the Flipkart, so suppose if I am going for here log, just flipkart.com, you enter it, it will be asking that one. This is what the preliminary requirements for that website. So that means something should be visible when you are typing the searching something. So if I'm going for the Flipkart, I know that I will be buying only vegetables, but or home applications, but some of the authentication they required it. So that is the reason they're asking the username and password. So they want to avoid it. Suppose if somebody book it and if they are not taking, so they want to trace it out. That is the reason they will be taking entire details who is booked, and that is the reason username, password, all these things informations they're collecting from us. Initiative shares between the users and the systems. You have to decide it which one to be shared for the users and the systems. So unprotective advice from the systems but require the space. So for all these things is required the space. That's what they have to maintain the database, all those things. So what we'll be doing, whenever we want to search something, just we'll search it, we'll view and we'll leave it. That's it. But the provider has to take care that information how it would be displayed, where to be stored, all these things. What is the process for the retrieving the informations they need to follow it. So that is what the online help with respect to your author, Snyder Man. So you have the three helps. One is called the online help. In context sensitive help, you have the three things. One is called the user controlled interactive object help. Second one is called the intelligent help. Third one is called the hybrid approaches. This is what the three things in context sensitivity help. So, and next one is called the examples. Still, we'll see this one is the next class. No problem. So, one question I will send it now. Just you write it. Enhance it by the special online features. Right. Have sent it one from Google Sheet. Just you can fill it and send it. List out enhanced by the special online functions or online features. So now I'll take the attendance. Right. Answer attendance 2611. What two? Three?
Yes, sir.
Four?
Yes,
Amit?
sir. Yes, sir.
Five?
Present, sir.
Antima?
Present,
Six?
sir.
Present, sir.
Six?
Present, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Huh?
You're audible, sir.
No, previously?
You were.
Huh?
You were, sir. You were audible.
Okay. But somebody are not telling only three, four?
Yes, sir. 3%,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
But
No,
with that
sir.
time you didn't say only.
Sir, new
Sir,
mute
your
ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ
speaker
sir.
was mute.
Huh?
Your speaker was mute, sir.
Okay. But my voice, you are able to hear, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done, sir. So now tell me overall present two. I marked for the first three people absent. Three,
Yes, sir.
four,
Yes, sir.
five,
Present, sir.
six,
Present, sir.
seven,
Yes, sir.
8, Bindu. Bindu absent. 9, 10,
Sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14,
15 present, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18, 19, 20,
Present, sir.
21, 22,
Present, sir.
24, Sahadev. Sahadev absent, Not telling. Okay. 25,
Present, sir.
26, 27, Seema, 28, 29,
Present, sir.
30, Spurti, 31,
Present, sir.
33, Varsha, 34,
Present, sir.
50,
Present, sir.
51, 52. I'll send one Google Sheet, you send it that one. Question I have sent it and send it the answers. 53, Sai Siddharth, 54, Chetana, 55, Kavya, 56, Madhurshri.
Present, sir.
See, you have to say loudly. If you are not saying the answer, what I should attend answer. I'm marking absent, that's all.
Present, sir.
ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಮ್ಮ ಮಧುಶ್ರೀ? 57,
Present, sir.
58,
Present, sir.
59, Murugesh, 60,
Present, sir.
61,
Present, sir.
62,
Present, sir.
63,
Present,
Krishna,
sir.
64,
Present, sir.
65, 66, Pratik Ramakrishna absent. 66, Sadhana, 68, Shashank,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
69,
Present, sir.
70,
Present, sir.
71,
Present, sir.
72,
Present, sir.
73,
Present, sir.
74,
Present, sir.
75, 76,
Present, sir.
77.
Present, sir.
Right. So I'll send it one Google Sheet that you fill it and send it. Enhanced by special online features. So like string matching, multiple indices. These were the answers. Whatever I've told today, that are not. Enhanced with the special online features.